This video is for only entertainment purpose. We do not have any intention to harm anyone's feeling physically, mentally, or emotionally. This video is just dedicated to show our love and respect for our dear teachers in a comic way.
आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
अरे भाई न्यूज़ देखा?
हाँ भाई देखा ना। अरे स्कूल से भी मैसेज आया है ना।
हाँ स्कूल से भी मैसेज आया। हाँ सुन तेरे पास नेटफ्लिक्स पड़ा है क्या?
अरे नेटफ्लिक्स क्या है, अमेजन प्राइम भी है मेरे पास। अच्छा 2 मिनट रुक।
अरे गजब
ले तुझे आईडी पासवर्ड भी भेज दिया।
अरे थैंक यू। अरे
तो सुन चल बाय, मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ। अरे पूरा मनी खत्म करना बाकी है अभी तो।
ठीक है ओके बाय।
Okay. So, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
So now we are going to have this online classes till the original classes does not begin. So we have to maximize our productivity and efficiency to make the best use of the time. Okay? And also, you have to participate actively so that your concerns and my concerns will mix together. Then only result will come. Okay? I can't do alone all things. Okay? Your life is in your hand, okay? This is the best time to study, okay?
Yes, sir.
I think you are getting me all, okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, this is the best way we can make ourselves busy with the studies and all, okay? And we have to prove ourselves that we can do anything. Lockdown cannot stop education. Yes. So I was telling that. अरे कहाँ गए सब?
So, good morning everyone. It's good to have you all in the class. I hope I will be able to entertain you and not bore you much.
सर मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अटेंडेंस ले लिया आपने?
Oh, yes, almost forgot it. It's good that you reminded me, class Babu. Yeah. So, roll number 1.
Yes sir, present sir.
Roll number 2. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir. सर वो कुरियर वाला आया था तो नीचे जाना पड़ा.
Please reply as immediately as you are being called so that we can get over this quickly. Roll number 3. Roll number 3. Yes. So now finally the attendance is done. Let's start with our today's topic.
सर अब तो क्या ही पढ़ाना, अभी 5 मिनट में क्या पढ़ाओगे? वैसे भी ज्यादा कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा।
Hello. Am I audible?
चलो भाई, good morning all of you. Only 6 students have joined so far. No problem भाई, I will start anyway. So today we study integration भैया.
Your voice is not clear sir. I think some connection issue is there.
Not able to understand? Wait भाई. अब आ रहा है, देखो जरा एक बार.
Yes sir, now it's clear.
आ रहा है ना अभी? So we was telling you this integration is very difficult है. Need to practice this topic. Understand everyone?
कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा क्या बोल रहे हो सर, आवाज बहुत कट रही है आपकी.
No problem भाई. Screen. Look at what I am writing.
अरे सर स्क्रीन भी नहीं दिख रही, ब्लर है सब.
हाँ सर, मुझे लग रहा है आज नहीं हो पाएगा सर. सर प्रॉक्सी दे दो सर.
What proxy are you talking? Just one time check your also. try to rejoin again. So what I'm telling is,
Yes, so as you can see on the screen, the topic is network topologies. Okay, so what is topology? It is the pattern of interconnection of nodes in a network is called topology. Okay, it is nothing but the pattern. Okay, how you are connecting the nodes, that is known as topology. There are various types of topologies, as you can see here: star topology, bus topology, ring or circular, the tree topology, graph or mesh. So we don't need to learn all of them. This okay. We are just going to learn about the star topology and the bus topology. Okay, Dhruv, are you able to understand what I am telling? Do you understood topology?
यस सर.
भाई जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे थे हैं?
सर कुत्ता, द डॉग्स आर बार्किंग एंड बारिश, द रेन इज कमिंग एंड कवरेज द नेटवर्क इज नॉट कमिंग. सर आई क्षमा द रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज छोड़ दो द लीव मी टुडे सर.
What? वो सब ठीक है, but I विनती द रिक्वेस्ट टू यू दैट प्लीज डोंट बात द टॉक टू मी लाइक दिस. हाँ,
Yes student, it's already 8:15. You can start writing your exam. All the best and keep your mic and camera on.
हाँ बता फटाफट. फर्स्ट का ए, सेकंड का सी. हाँ बता, आगे बता. हाँ थर्ड का क्या? अबे ढंग से बोल. थर्ड का हाँ थर्ड का बी. चल आगे बता फटाफट. अरे
Good morning, students. So in the previous lecture we were discussing about dinitrogen and its properties, but unfortunately we were not able to discuss its example. So now I request you all to open the page number 175 of chemistry first part and read the example number 7.3 for 3 minutes.
जीने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जीने मैनू मार सुटिया, जीने मेरा दिल लुटिया, जीने मैनू मार सुटिया, लक बदला बलोरियो दे.
Very good, very nice. This is the best time to respect your teachers, right? Keep going. Aman, what do you think? We should leave these fellows back, huh? We should ignore them, right? Okay, we will move to the next topic, which is ammonia. So let me set my camera of my laptop. Wait a second. Okay. Who is playing this song? Let me mute him. He will not understand. Can anyone say that how can I mute this fellow?
Alt F4 दबाए सर. Alt F4.
Where are you going? वीडियो बाकी है. Okay, students. Can you hear me? Yes. So I've just now shared that file. So you need to take the look of it, okay? And this topic we have discussed earlier. So you can make the notes, okay? Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Good. Okay, Divya, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Udeshya? Can you hear me? Udeshya? Yes or no?
Please reply.
लेफ्ट से आ रहा है, लेफ्ट से आ रहा है, लेफ्ट से आ रहा है, मार 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 मार। मार 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 मार। ओ चिकन डिनर, ओ भाई चिकन डिनर हो गया अपना। So we know that a vector whose magnitude is unity is known as a unit vector, is it? And projection of a vector on another vector we learned yesterday. So if there is a vector A, 2i minus j plus k, and B minus I plus j minus 2k, so how you will find a vector whose magnitude is in the direction of A plus B? प्रथम,
अरे सर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया अब तक, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, क्या बोले आप?
10 marks of internals gone. Yes, Deepu, Avish. All these who are not answering will lose their internal marks, eh? Yes, Divya.
Ma'am, first we need to add vector A and vector B and then divide by vector A plus B.
Yes, at least someone is paying attention.
यस मैम, वो टीवी में रामायण आ रही थी तो वो देख रहा था इसीलिए।
What is the use of watching रामायण जब तुम्हारी ही लंका जली हुई है?
Did you all get your assignments?
What assignment sir?
चलो लिखो फिर। मैथ्स का चैप्टर 3, एक्सरसाइज 3.1,
बस
3.2, 3.3, 3.4, चैप्टर 4, चैप्टर 5, चैप्टर 6 प्रैक्टिस करना है। इंग्लिश का असाइनमेंट लिखो।
सर इंग्लिश में क्या होमवर्क?
क्लास 6 की गुजराती टेक्स्ट बुक को इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करके लिखना है।
अरे यार रुको यार।
फिजिक्स का असाइनमेंट लिखो। घर के पानी के टंकी का वाटर कैपेसिटी फाइंड करना है और 1.5 मीटर की हाइट पे उसका स्पीड ऑफ एफ्लक्स कैलकुलेट करना है। टंकी के अंदर घुसकर चम्मच से उसका पानी मापना है और हाथ से उसकी हाइट मापनी है।
Turn on your camera.
सर वो गलती से कैमरा ऑफ हो गया था।
No camera off हो गया था. You have to keep your camera on until the exam gets over. Otherwise you will be removed. This is the last warning for you all. If you try to do something wrong, you will be immediately removed.
Yes भाई निसर्ग, trying to act smart है? Don't act smart, we will not accept such behavior.
Sir, remove him from the text.
Wait a minute, wait.
So, good morning students. How are you all? Let's begin today's lecture. We are going to talk about nuclear force and what's the difference between nuclear force and Coulomb force. So, does anyone has any idea what is nuclear force?
पापा?
हाँ बोलो बेटा। अरे मैं अभी नहीं खेल पाऊंगा, अभी मेरा लेक्चर चालू है, मैं बच्चों को पढ़ा लेता हूँ फिर हम साथ में खेलेंगे, ठीक है? So, the students, where were we? Yes, we were discussing about what is nuclear force.
हाँ बेटा, कैसे हो? हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, तुम बताओ। हाँ अच्छा ठीक है, अपना ध्यान रखना, कहीं बाहर मत जाना, ठीक है ना? ओके।
मैं इधर ठीक हूँ। हाँ, मेरे पास मास्क भी है। हाँ अरे बेटा, अभी तो मैं नहीं आ पाऊँगा, अभी तो क्लासेस भी चालू है, इधर स्कूल में ही रहना होगा मुझे। जी हाँ, लेकिन जितनी जल्दी हो सकेगा मैं आऊँगा बस।
अरे यार, बहुत सिर दर्द हो रहा है, तो बुखार जैसा भी थोड़ा लग रहा है। को देख लेता हूँ। अरे यार, ये बुखार तो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, क्या करूँ? डॉक्टर को दिखा लूँ क्या? अरे पर 10 मिनट में बच्चों का लेक्चर भी तो है। एक काम करता हूँ, पहले बच्चों को पढ़ा लेता हूँ, फिर डॉक्टर के पास चला जाऊंगा।
Good morning everyone. Has everyone joined the class?
Yes sir.
Okay. So what were we discussing in our previous lecture? Has anyone any idea? Sorry बेटा, वो आज थोड़ी तबीयत खराब है ना, इसलिए। So we are going to only practice some sums today related to nuclear fission. Okay.
Dear teachers, we know that every day you have so many struggles for us. Every day you get up and find out something or the other new so that we have interest in our online classes. We just attend a 45 minutes class and we leave. But for those 45 minutes class, you spend your entire day making PowerPoints, presentations, PDFs and whatnot. You sacrifice your family time, the time with your friends and your free time just for doing that. Sometimes when you are not in a condition to conduct an online class, but still you get up and do so that we do not waste our day, so that we do not waste our future. Throughout the day, you are always on your toes to solve our doubts and to help us to learn and to help us to grow. Every day, you conduct that online class with utmost enthusiasm so that we get a better interest in our online classes. We really feel blessed to get teachers like you. And so, on the occasion of this Teachers' Day, we take pleasure in thanking you all for all the struggles you are facing for us. We thank you, teachers, for all the sacrifices that you have done for us. And I really feel that these lines are true. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah.
Happy Teachers